Assalamualaikum and good day, Doctor. We are from Group I, well presenting about the topic that we chose, that is the significance of family takaful in Malaysia. Assalamualaikum, Doctor. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Ahmad, matric number 280-286. Next, I will proceed with the introduction. So, as we know that Malaysia is one of the Islamic country that provide Islamic insurance that is takaful. In our life, we need insurance or takaful to safeguard ourselves, family and business from unforeseen events. In order to protect our family, we need to have family takaful because it provides us with protection and long-term savings. In case you are a victim of a tragedy, then you or your beneficiary will be compensated financially. Then, you will enter an agreement that is akad, in which your contribution will be in the form of contribution that is tabaruk. Furthermore, takaful contract are split into two accounts. The first one is participant saving and the second one is tabaruk fund. Which means that the first account funds will be invested into any appropriate Sharia compliant securities, and the second account will be used as a source of donation when they encounter bad luck.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Sharafuddin. Today I'm present about characteristic of takaful. There are several characteristic of takaful, but I'm gonna say 6 only. So the first one is long-term contract, which usually level contribution. In long-term contract, participants make regular contribution or premium to the fund or specific period of time, typically several years. These contributions are usually level, which means that they remain the same over the duration of the contract. One advantage of long-term takaful contract, which level contribution, is that it provides a predictable and stable source of financial protection for the participant because the contribution remain the same over the term of the contract. The participant know exactly how much they will be paying and budget accordingly. So it is important to note that takaful contract are usually based on mutual cooperation and do not guarantee a specific return on investment. The distribution of profit and loss is determined in advance and may vary depending on the performance of the fund and other factors. So the next part is observation of the principle of utmost good faith by both parties. The principle of utmost good faith, also known as the principle of uber remain fide, required that both parties to a contract act which complete honesty and transparency toward one another. This principle is particularly important in the context of insurance, as it ensures that the insurer has accurate and complete information about the risk being insured. In a takaful plan, both the takaful operator and the participant have a duty to observe the principle of utmost good faith. This means that the takaful operator must provide full and accurate information about the term and condition of the takaful contract, as well as the risk being insured to the participant. Likewise, the participant have a duty to provide full and accurate information about their personal and financial circumstances, as well as any risk they may face to the takaful operator. This help the takaful operator assess the risk being insured and determine the appropriate level of contribution or payment for the takaful. So the next part is unilateral contract. In a literal contract, only one party make a promise or commitment. The other party is not required to make any promise or commitment in a return, but many choose to do so if they wish. An example, unilateral contract is an insurance policy. To the insurer make a promise to pay benefit for the policyholder in the event or covered loss, such as the death of the policyholder or damage to their property. The policyholder is not required to make any promise or commitment in return, but they are required to pay premium to the insurer in order to maintain coverage. Unilateral contract are different from literal contract, in which both parties make promise or commitment to another. Takaful contract are typically bilateral contract, as both the takaful operator and the participant make commitment to one another. It is important to note that unilateral contract may be enforceable under certain circumstances, but they are generally considered less binding than bilateral contract. So the next part, I'm talking about permission takaful interest. Takaful interest refer to the profit or return that takaful operator is allowed to earn on the fund contributed by a participant in takaful plan. In Islamic finance, the earning of interest is generally prohibited as in considered to the exploitative, and again the principle of fairness and justice. However, takaful operator are allowed to earn a permissible form of takaful interest, which is mudharabah. Mudharabah is a profit and loss sharing arrangement in which the takaful operator act as a manager of the takaful fund and share in the profit earned, but does not receive fees in return. So the next part is termination of contract, which payment of a claim in a takaful plan. The contract between the takaful operator and the participant may be terminated in certain circumstances, such as the death and disability of the participant, or the expiration of the term of the contract. If the contract is terminated and a claim is paid to the participant or their beneficiaries, the takaful operator may retain a portion of the fund in the takaful fund to cover its expenses and any outstanding liabilities. The remaining fund may be distributed to the participant or their beneficiaries in accordance with the term of the takaful contract. The payment of a claim and termination of the takaful contract may also be the subject certain condition and exclusion as specific in the takaful contract. So the last part is to risk to be covered increase with the time. In general, the risk of a loss occurring increase with time, as the likelihood of foreseen event of circumstances increase over the cost of a person's life. This is true for many types of insurance, including takaful insurance. For the reason, takaful operator may adjust the premium or contribution that participants are required to pay over time to reflect the increasing risk of a loss occurring. This is known as risk loading. Risk loading may be based on a variety of factors, such as the age of participant, the type of coverage being provided, and the overall risk profile of the takaful fund. For example, a participant who is older or has a higher risk of a loss occurring may be required to pay higher premium than a young participant with a lower risk profile. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Muhammad Syafiqi. My name is Muhammad Afizi bin Masri Syam and my number matric is 289672. I will continue this presentation about the significant family takaful in Malaysia. So, I want to present my part is about the type of family takaful plan that offered by takaful company in Malaysia. So, firstly, protection family is one of the type of family takaful. Protection family is insurance policy made to offer financial security to family members in the case of unforeseen event like demise or disability of the family head. Protection product come in variety of form like term takaful. Term takaful of insurance offer protection for a set time frame and pay a reward to the beneficiary if the policy holder pass away during that time. So second, wildlife takaful. This kind of insurance cover the policy holder for the duration of their life and pay a reward to the beneficiary in the event of policyholder deaths. Critical illness takaful. If a policyholder is diagnosed with a certain critical sickness such as cancer or a heart attack, this sort of insurance will give them a benefit. Education takaful. In the case of the policyholder deaths or incapacity, this kind of insurance offer financial support to cover the cost of education for the policyholder's children. And medical takaful. In the case of illness or accident, this kind of insurance offer financial support to cover the cost of medical care for the policyholder and their family. Second is medical product. Medical product is insurance policy called medical product created to offer family financial security in the case of unexpected medical cost or crash. Hospitalization takaful. This kind of product offer financial support to pay hospitalization expenditure such as lodging and board, medical care and other associated costs. Critical illness takaful. If a policyholder is diagnosed with a certain critical sickness such as cancer or a heart attack, this sort of insurance will give them a benefit. Medical rider takaful. Takaful product that offer additional financial support to cover the cost of medical care in the case of illness or accident can be added as a rider or endorsement to an existing takaful policy. So, thirdly is investment product. Investment product is insurance plan called an investment family takaful combine investment and protection component. It is found on Islamic financial principle and intend to give family financial security. Endowment takaful. This kind of product combines saving with certain aspect of term takaful. It offers both a cash payout at the conclusion of the term and a benefit to the beneficiary should the policyholder pass away during the policy period. Wildlife takaful. This kind of insurance cover the policyholder for the duration of their life and pay a reward to the beneficiary in the event of the policyholder deaths. It also has a saving element that enables the policyholder to accumulate wealth over time. Investment linked takaful. This kind of insurance offer financial protection in the case of the policyholder deaths or incapacity and enable policyholder to designate a portion of their premium payment to investment fund. Last but not least, retirement product. Retirement product is insurance policy called a retired family takaful. Is designed to safeguard family financially throughout their retirement years. Deferred annuity takaful. This kind of a product enable family to make a recurrent payment to a takaful fund during their working years and then get a consistent income stream during their retirement. Immediate annuity takaful. With this kind of a product, family can contribute a single lump amount to a takaful fund and then get a regular income stream in retirement. Pension takaful. With this kind of product, families can put some of their earning into a takaful fund while they are still employed and then get a regular income stream in their golden years. That's all from me. I pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Fidel bin Ismail. My metric number is 28861. Today I want to present about my part to advantage and disadvantage for family takaful. First, help to protect family. Family takaful is a type of insurance that is based on the principle of Islamic finance. It is designed to provide financial protection for families in the event of unexpected circumstances such as death, illness or injury. With family takaful member of the policy contribute a portion of their income towards a fund that is used to provide financial assistance to those in need. Second is investment tool. As an investment tool, family takaful can provide a number of benefits. For example, it can offer a way for individuals and families to save and plan for the future, while also providing a sense of security and peace of mind. In addition, some takaful products may offer investment options that allow participants to earn return on their contribution. It is important to note, however, that the performance of this investment can vary and there is no guarantee of profit. So, to increase the sense of responsibility, there are several ways that family takaful can help to increase the sense of responsibility within a family. One way is by providing a financial safety net for family members in case of unexpected event or emergencies. This can help to alleviate some of the financial burden and stress that may be caused by this event and can give family members the confidence and security they need to focus on their responsibilities. Another way that family takaful can increase the sense of responsibility is by encouraging families to plan for the future and make informed decisions about their finance. Next point is get more income. There are several ways that families can potentially increase their income through a family takaful plan. One way is by investing a portion of their takaful contributes in investment options that have the potential to earn return. However, it is important to note that the performance of this investment can vary and there is no guarantee of profit. And the last part of advantage for family takaful, retirement benefit. Some family takaful plan may offer retirement benefit to help families plan for their financial need during retirement. These benefits can take a variety of forms, including the following: saving or investment option. Some takaful plans may offer investment options that allow families to save and grow their money for retirement. This may include options such as mutual fund, index funds, or other investment vehicles that have the potential to earn return over time. Pension plans. Some takaful providers may offer pension plans that provide a regular income to family during retirement. These plans may be funded through contribution made by the participants during their working years and may offer a variety of payout options to suit the need of the participant. Life insurance. Some takaful plan may offer life insurance coverage that can provide financial protection for family in the event of the death of a breadwinner. This can help to ensure that family have the financial resources that they need to maintain their standard of living during retirement. Next, for disadvantage is lack of registered takaful operator. This can make it more difficult to find a plan that offers the coverage premium and other features that are important to them. Higher costs. With less competition, takaful operator may be able to charge higher premium for their product. This can make takaful less affordable for some individuals and families, especially if they have limited financial resources. Lack of awareness in areas where takaful is not well established. There may be a lack of awareness about the benefits of takaful and how it differs from conventional insurance. This can make it difficult for individuals and families to understand their options and make informed decisions about their coverage. Second part of disadvantage law of exposure to takaful system. There are several disadvantages to a lack of exposure to the takaful system, particularly for individual and family who are considering using takaful for the insurance and financial protection needs. Disadvantages include lack of understanding. Without exposure to takaful, individuals and family may be unfamiliar with how it works, the benefit it offers, and how it differs from conventional insurance. This can make it difficult for them to make informed decisions about their coverage and financial protection. Misconceptions. Without exposure to takaful, individuals and families may be more likely to hold. Misconceptions about how takaful works, what it covers, and how it is compared to conventional insurance. This can lead to misunderstanding and a lack of trust in the takaful system. Lower demand. Without exposure to takaful, there may be lower demand for takaful product in area. This can make it more challenging for takaful providers to establish a presence in the market and offer their product to potential.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Sheikh Hafiz bin Nur Shamsuddin. My matric number 287337. I will present about challenges and issues about family takaful. The first one is lack of consumer awareness about family takaful. Takaful, while introduced, the expected increase in penetration has not yet been realized. Many consumers are still unaware of the takaful as an alternative, and some see the takaful as the conventional insurance into the Islamic world and reject that is Sharia compliant. The lack of communication about family takaful is the biggest challenge. Another challenges in family takaful is complicated claim process. Complicated terms do not arise if the person making the claim understands the process. When something bad happens, anyone will need the advice of the third party. Emotional will be disturbed when a disaster occurs. The third person here is usually agent who has been entrusted. If there is a death in the family, you may be wondering what to do with the takaful certificate because they fail to understand the claim process, causing them to feel complicated, so they do not want to take the takaful. Another challenges in the family takaful is agents are not durable in the takaful industry. Actually, it's not easy to build a career in the takaful. The field of takaful is the professional field that has the potential to become a famous business and promise a good income. However, there are agents who are unable to long in the industry due to the several factors. Example, agency structure and sales adjustment in the field. This thing affected the customer has lost point of reference. They don't have the chance to answer to the right person. But there are now agencies that use of agency leader corporation ALC system in Malaysia. The act is help to develop a professional agent who are able to provide a quality service to the public. Issue about the family takaful. The first one is issue about the capital source. There are various types of issues that are subject to the Sharia interpretation. One of the debate among the scholars is whether the original capital in the takaful provided should be the Sharia compliant. This matter become a debate and different of opinion among the Islamic scholars. Another issue is combine the nature of profit motivation and religion motive. This thing make the consumer misunderstanding about the real objective of takaful, and they think the takaful are using the religion to make a profit for them. The last issue is the reach of agency support outside the city center is limited. In the term of the geography reach of the agency workforce, there is a significant difference between the location. As over 60 from the agent are serving the urban area, since the agent are usually depending on the branch of insurance and takaful operator to obtain the support and training. This situation limit the reach of agent. This situation also further case agent to focus on the segment to the customer who are more likely to already have the family takaful insurance. Certain while the low income group and rural resident will be ignored. I will present my next part in takaful. It is opportunity in family takaful. The first one is to simplify and streamline the product to increase the penetration. A simple product design will make sure that takaful will be affordable for the segment who have the less access to insurance service. This is in line with the principle and characteristic of the product, such as outlined in the micro insurance and micro takaful decision paper published in April 2016. Another opportunity in family takaful it is leveraging the technology with the online and mobile channel. Family Takaful introduced an important element to stimulate this shift, includes requiring basic protection product to be provided through the direct channel, and introduce online product aggregator to allow the user to compare the product and make choice based on sufficient information. High internet and smartphone penetration rate in Malaysia, along with the advanced impairment technology, online platform and mobile insurance is the promise the expansion of reach to the segment that have less access to insurance service. The last one is having the opportunity to reduce the poverty. This can help those who have recently lost of the family member and recently convert to Islam. This can be seen in the newspaper that have proof this family takaful can help them.
So, I will conclude our presentation for today. As a result, since we know that the family takaful is significant for us to protect our family, therefore, the government need to take initiative by strengthening the policy of Islamic insurance by encourage the family in Malaysia to buy the family takaful. Then, in order to increase knowledge about having family takaful protection among societies, therefore, takaful operator needs to improve the advertising through organized campaigns such as One Donation, One Family that are organized by Prudential BSN Takaful. Last but not least, the stakeholder should raise public awareness and knowledge about the family takaful product by create more effective distribution and delivery channel so that the customer will get better understanding about the family takaful. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.